This is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I will show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So if you suggest that your smartphone has gotten hacked or compromised, the first order of business that you need to resort to is, well, some kind of form of an antivirus scan or a security scan perhaps. As I've already told a few seconds prior, there are a lot of ways and methods you can choose. I'll show two today, one of them being the Avast third-party app. That is a third-party antivirus solution that, well, pretty much checks all the boxes for me in terms of antivirus scanning capabilities and, well, just overall antivirus functional. Anyway, install this app from the Google Play Store, then launch it. Here, perform an antivirus or security scan, and, well, if it will find any issues or things to resolve, just do them like that and follow the instructions that the Avast app provides you with, and I would assume you should not encounter any issues. An alternative route is through launching the Google Play Store. Here, tap at your profile picture, then open the Play Protect, and then run a scan using the Play Protect feature here. And if it will find any harmful apps, it will help you to get rid of those threats. Another troubleshooting method is to launch settings, then you gotta enter the apps category, and over here open the list of all installed applications and carefully look through each individual app that is installed on your phone, and if you spot any suspicious or sketchy entry, uninstall such app that raises your suspicion right away. So I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.